this is my gas-powered baby stroller, lawnmower, gokart, lawnmower gokart conversion, extended lawnmower, and it's been fun, but I actually got a new plan for it. See, this is limiting my abilities to go off-road with it. This part here. So what my plan now is to actually I think you need to twist it because otherwise you won't hear. So I think we're gonna do off-road overland conversion to it. Removing the baby stroller, building a rack here, not too high. Maybe that could be integrated neck
protection
thing. Not protection, but seat back thing. Because this is very low.
A higher seat basically.
Not that. You'll see later what we want to make with it. And maybe some kind of military truck style front here. Maybe, because we can
maybe a Dodge Power Wagon.
It's very hard to make those shapes. But otherwise I thought just make it straight up, back here a little window.
Yeah.
And we can make some bit sides maybe.
We can't make a 5-ton.
Well,
no, it's still round.
Exactly. But this one we need to be able to access. Not too hard to access it. Yes. So we got this home. Now I'm gonna remove the baby stroller.
Wow. So we have been thinking a lot about what we should make of it, and we went all the way from like Dodge Power Wagons to Volvo C202s, and now we're making a Unimog.
Exactly. So this is what we made so far, a little cab
It doesn't
structure.
look like much, but I can take the camera. See? This is our windshield. Can you hold that? Yep. Like, I gotta say, from the side it actually looks like a real Unimog.
Yeah, exactly.
It does. Looks super
maybe
cool.
we can get side.
Maybe, or just leave it open.
Maybe we can make one side window and then like make just a little bit so it looks like it rolled down.
Yeah, that would be cool. But
so cool.
And we got it done in how much? Half a day?
I would say afternoon. Like it was right after lunch when we started thinking, what can we do today? And I wrote a list of things, video ideas. And I said, maybe we can do this today, and this is what we ended up with. Of course, we're gonna paint it. Side windows. This is not finished, but for half a day exactly.